What's up, guys? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and today we're going to be reinstalling my Krator fairing using the MoonsMC headlight block. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think. Thank you.
All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to remove the old headlight block and remove the fairing.
All right, guys. So we already have a video of us installing the actual windscreen with the hardware and the two brackets. So I'm not going to show that again. I'm just going to show you quickly what it looks like. Refer to our other video. I'll put it in the description of us installing all the brackets and the windscreen. All right, guys. So if you're going to install the Krator fairing with a JD Customs, or in my case, a MoonsMC headlight block, what you're going to do is you're going to install this bracket right here on the bottom side of the triple tree between your bushings and the bolt. All right, so this is going to slide in right there, and then you're going to tighten it down. And what that's going to do is this bracket right here is going to be flush against the top of the bottom triple tree, and we'll show you that in the next step. All right, guys, so what we just did is we moved this bracket from the top of the upper triple tree to the bottom of the triple tree. So now it's on the bottom side of the upper triple tree. So here are your handlebar bolts right here. There's one right there. Then there's one on the other side. My finger's probably getting in the way. But that's where your top bracket's gonna go. All right, guys, so a lot of people had questions about headlight blocks, and so I just wanted to redo the Krator fairing using the MoonsMC headlight block, because it's a lot like the JD Customs headlight block, but I wanted to show, so this is the Villain 2 Hero headlight block that I used. You can see it's a lot skinnier than the JD Customs or the MoonsMC headlight block, and this one's meant to be mounted this way, and this headlight block gets mounted on the top side of the triple tree, so it mounts differently. And what that does, if you guys can see right here, so your MoonsMC headlight block, the hole is going to be a lot lower than the Villain 2 Hero, which gets mounted on the top side. And when you're using the Villain 2 Hero headlight block, the reason you can't put it here is because now your headlight is going to mount so high that it's not going to fit when you have your fairing mounted to the bottom side of the triple tree. That's why we used to have it mounted to the top, but now it's mounted to the bottom. So now we're going to get to installing the headlight block. So put the bolt through, you know, you got your washer, you're going to put it on the bottom side of the lower triple tree, up through there. You're going to thread it through. So now Rod's going to show you, this is what it's going to end up looking like. And all I would do now is add a nut here.
All right, guys, so we thought we were gonna have to add spacers here because this bottom bracket was up like this, so we talked about putting spacers there, but we just went ahead and loosened the bracket so we could slide it down. So now we're gonna put the headlight block bolt through so it stays in position, and then we're gonna tighten these bolts down. All right, so next step, I'm gonna take the headlight, we're gonna put it up here, and then we're just gonna put the bolt through the bracket and the block. And then we're gonna make sure we got it straight, and we're gonna tighten it down.
All right, guys, so you might've seen earlier, we had this installed and it was on the bottom of the headlight block, but we ended up not using this just because we ended up only putting the little headlight bracket that it came with, if you see this right here. So we just ran the bolt straight through the headlight block. This is either gonna be the JD Customs or the MoonsMC headlight block. Goes through the bottom of the lower triple tree with the nut up top. We just tightened it down. And then we tightened these bolts right here. We made sure it was an even gap all the way around. So if you see, my headlight isn't poking out like 3 inches or anything. Looks pretty even all the way around. And the whole reason we ended up doing this was because my my crater fairing was about 1 inch higher than it is now because it was mounted to the top side of the upper triple tree, and now it's mounted to the lower side of the triple tree. Yeah guys, so like I was saying before, I was staring through about 5 inches of the windscreen before, but now I'm only staring through maybe 2.5 inches of the actual windscreen. So it ended up lowering my windscreen a lot, and this is gonna make it a lot easier when I ride. All right guys, that's gonna do it for the Krator fairing install. Hopefully this clears up any confusion when you're using the JD Customs or the MoonsMC headlight block.
I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you think. Thank you.